Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change auto lock screen time in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to lock screen. Then go to secure lock settings and try your current pattern for authentication. And here turn off this button first. Lock instantly this side key. Otherwise, if you lock your screen, automatically your phone screen will be locked. Okay, so turn off this button and then here set auto lock when screen turns off. Okay, that is after 5 seconds, except when kept unlocked by extend unlock. Okay, so click on this here. By default 5 seconds used. 5 seconds are used for locking your screen automatically. See here, I go to screen off and after 5 seconds it will be locked. Within 5 seconds it will not lock. Within 5 seconds I have again pressed to wake up the screen and auto lock is not done, but wait for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6, more than 5 seconds crossed, and now see here auto lock is applied. Okay, so this is called auto lock when screen turns off. Okay, auto lock timing. Okay, auto lock timing is off, is now 5 seconds. Okay, if you want to use it immediately, click on immediately, then auto lock will be applied immediately when your phone screen is off. Okay, see here, when now my phone screen is off, immediately screen is locked. Okay, this is first option. Okay, then if you want to change time to some extend time, then you can extend the timing here. After 5 seconds you can choose 15 seconds, then to 30 seconds, then up to 30 minutes you can keep your phone not locked when your screen is off. Okay, off. Okay, see here, my phone is off, and only after 30 seconds, after 30 minutes, then only it will, after 30 minutes then only it will be auto locked. Okay, so in this way you can easily change auto lock timing. Okay, auto screen lock time. So if you want to set back to default, then you have to choose 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds will be very effective. Suppose in case you need, you can extend the timing. Okay, 1 minute is also very fair. Okay, so in this way you can easily change auto lock screen time in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.